Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Debbie and with me today is my nephew Lewis, and today he wanted me to do a Jeff Hardy inspired look because he's dressing up as Jeff Hardy for Halloween. So first I painted his full face with the green face paint, and then I done out the RKO and some thicker lines and then thin lines with white face paint. Then I'm going on and painting half his face in blue just to give a better contrast, and then I start doing out the white lines on the blue side of the face also, so that would be a thicker white line and then the thin lines just to fill out the face area. And that just went out of focus, but yeah, now I'm making fake eyes. So first I just cover his whole eyes with white face paint and then outline with black, but because the white was underneath, the black and the white kind of mixed in and became more of a grey look, but I will go round that later on. And then I start outlining the RKO and the thicker white lines. Now this is where I realised that the RKO was actually supposed to be outlined in blue, but I do go ahead and try fix that after I've done the black outlining again just to make it darker. And this is where I start fixing that blue outline, and I do believe that it does look a lot better in the blue. And I do a blue outline on that thicker white stripe as well. And then I just start adding little green touches into the blue side, and this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it, and it was quite quick and simple to do. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!